Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to change Excel display language. We change this home, insert, page layout, descriptions and so on. First of all, you need to know your Microsoft Excel version. Here it is. And then your system type. In my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So, you know everything. Now, we start. Go to File menu, Options, and then Language. Now, go to Display Language. At the moment, I have two display languages. Let's add one more. Click on the link. Choose your Office version and select language. I select German. Now I download 64-bit. After you have downloaded, click on the installer. In some language packs, it says to install 32-bit. Don't worry, it's okay. Click on Install. It's now downloading the whole pack. After that, it will auto-install it.
Later.
So, it's ready. Let's check it. It's still in English at the moment, because we only installed the language pack. Now, we change it. Go to Display Language, select New Language, and press Set as Default. And, OK. Restart the Office. Voila! Now it's in German. Descriptions also. So, I change it again back to English. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!